Right, everyone, warmly welcome to JK IT Services. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off or on your Hyper-V, and also how you can also turn on or off your virtual machine platform. Okay, so in our case, let's get started. First thing, click on your start button or menu, then on the search bar, search for control panel. Just search for control panel. So after that, open it, and in your case, if your own is in either small or large icons, please make sure you change it to category. All right, and here on the program section, you select program. Okay, and on the this thing, programs and features, you choose the second option, which says turn Windows features on or off. Click on it and wait small. So in our case, you see we have our Hyper-V here. All right, we have our Hyper-V here, and we also have our virtual machine platform here. If you want to install Kali Linux using the virtual box, okay, Oracle virtual box, please make sure you turn your virtual machine platform on, okay, and turn off your Hyper-V. You don't need it at this time, okay. And after that, you click on enable. Sometimes for it to take effect, you have to wait some more, and after installation or after everything, you have to restart your computer so that it can take effect. All right, and for you to see that your virtualization is enabled, just come to your taskbar here and then right click on it. Okay, just come to your taskbar, right click on it and select task manager. So in this case, just select performance. Okay, so let me just increase it so that you can actually see. Now you can see that my virtualization is what enable. Make sure you see this before you start your installation process. The name still remains JK Cyber, and I'm out. Bye bye.